about camera equipment. One of the things I've noticed since I've been started making YouTube videos is these stupid things. Excuse me. I have a whole bunch of these and they keep breaking. Like, well, these little tripods don't break. Tripods seem to last longer than anything else. But you go to Walmart and they sell these like professional kit things to hold your phone and stuff. And the biggest problem is for me is I use these iPhone Plus things, and look, these things are just like, they're at the limit of their, like, it's, you literally almost lose a finger. These ones, yeah, they kind of like, these ones don't really fit. iPhones, this one is like, it might fit, but it's kind of flimsy. They're all plastic, and I'm not saying you need $1 million worth of equipment, but again, I bought this little thing here. It's basically all aluminum. It doesn't come with this little piece here in the bottom though. This little piece is it's made by a company called Ulanzi, and if you're using any type of mounting thing, I highly, highly recommend you buy a Ulanzi. They make all sorts of these, and this one's a Iron Man 3 ST14. I've made a video of it before, but I broke every plastic one of these things. The one on here right now I took is a plastic one that's busted, that barely holding on, with a Ulanzi quick adapter. I can basically click it in there, and I have a quick adapter and another tripod. But they also make a really good, this little thing here, it's on almost every, I never liked about this shit before. These little ball adapters, they're on almost every little, like, see, you take this off of here, they're on almost every single camera adapter that you can get. You can screw that one on, even this one I bet you comes off, or I bet you it doesn't. But anyway, they make a really good ball adapter. The one I have on this camera, Ulanzi, oh no, it's a Geeka 2 stand. Mind you, it's $100 for the stand. But it's insane. Like this, every one of these plastics just keeps breaking. Yeah, it comes with a little long extra thing. It comes with the fancy little button to turn whatever the hell is going on here. See, it's got a Bluetooth button which goes with some, I don't know, light or remote. But they all suck. And the reason why I got these real cheap is, you ever go to TJ Maxx? TJ Maxx has like them all super, and they have like this one by Boker. It's a little, I have a bunch of these that just threw in the garbage because after a while it's like another charger. They're really cool though, these things, even though they, see, watch, they're really bright, but what the hell, I mean, it's not as bright as this thing. So so my recommendation is after breaking a few of these things, go on, like, this is anodized aluminum, this is aluminum with a rubber pad, aluminum rubber pad. I don't know what this insert's for. It comes with, like, this is, everything's anodized aluminum. There's no cheapness on here. And they're what, like 20, they have some for 20 and $30. And basically you just screw them on. You can screw it on this one if you want. You can screw it on a quick adapter. And if you buy one or two of them, you can, if you buy one or two of these little quick adapters, has a little pocket that goes in it, you can just click, click, click and bring them everywhere. I have one on the stand, on the tripod behind me. And it's just a video about basically, you know, it's, all these things are made of plastic. And, you know, I don't mind plastic. Like, there's some plastic bits on this tripod, like the foam and stuff, but everything is metal. It's just this crap keeps breaking. Like, there's tons of this Chinese junk, and then there's this Chinese Ulanzi stuff that's made even better. Like, I was just like, damn. So yeah, I'm pimping out Ulanzi here because it's good product. Also, there's also another factor too. If you go on Amazon, or direct to the website, you will find the Chinese knockoff ones that are made of aluminum that are very similar, and those are almost the same thing. Because what I hear, Amazon and every people in China, you come with a good product and they just rip you off and make one that looks identical. So you can always buy a cheap identical one, but it holds the thing pretty good. The only thing it doesn't hold is my iPhone 5, which, I mean, I don't really care. I don't use it much anymore. I bought a iPhone 7 Plus to record, so it works good. But yeah, look at it. Versus plastic, this plastic handle, I've broken like 6 of these things. This one's bowler plastic. This one's on air plastic. This is plastic light. This is what DigiPower plastic. This is another Bower plastic. Everything's plastic. I've dropped this, and so anyway, hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and to all my now 280 subs, thanks for watching. I enjoy it. It's fun. Thanks for watching.